We are less than 5 months out from the next Wisconsin Supreme Court election. Right now, there are two candidates in the race.
That's Court of Appeals judge and former Democratic lawmaker Chris Taylor and Court of Appeals judge and former Wisconsin DOJ prosecutor Maria Lazar. Our Wisconsin State Capitol Bureau Chief Vanessa Kelson sat down with both candidates. Tonight, we hear from Judge Taylor.
Why do you want to be a justice on the Wisconsin Supreme Court?
I have committed my career to really making sure people have access to justice and that the courts protect their fundamental rights and their freedoms. And that's what I want to continue to do.
As a liberal candidate in this race, how does that impact your judicial philosophy?
Well, you know, I interpret law in a way that really centers the people of the state of Wisconsin and puts the people who are actually before me first.
You spent nearly a decade as a Democrat in the Wisconsin State Assembly right across the street here. How does that impact the way that you rule?
Well, it doesn't. I mean, I'm a judge now. Judges don't make policies. We look at the law.
Are you pro-choice?
Well, I served at Planned Parenthood as the law and policy director. So yes, I value each individual's right to make those personal private health care decisions.
Would you recuse yourself from any case involving Planned Parenthood or abortion?
So I would not categorically just say I'm going to recuse myself to the areas of law that I practiced or the issues that I've worked on, but I certainly would look at each case and make that determination.
As a Democratic state legislator, you previously sponsored a bill to require judges to disqualify themselves from a case if they received campaign donations of $1,000 or more. Will you stand by that in your own campaign?
Well, I don't make policy now, so I proposed over 250 different bills on a variety of topics. I do agree, however, with Chief Justice Karofsky, who recently said that we should have another look at our recusal laws and make sure that the public has an opportunity to weigh in.
Looking at your own campaign beyond what's on the books now or what could be in the future, is that a rule that you would follow yourself?
I would certainly take seriously what the public thinks and what their opinions are. But again, I'm not a policymaker.
Is there anyone that you wouldn't accept an endorsement or donations from in this race?
I mean, I'm sure there is. I can't say that I have a lot of billionaires lining up.
When you were a legislator, you voted against Marcy's law to provide protections for victims of crimes. Can you explain why you voted against it?
I have spent my whole life since I was in college working on behalf of sexual assault and domestic violence victims. But when it came to Marcy's law, there were concerns that were expressed by advocates from the domestic violence and sexual assault communities. This initiative, unfortunately, was not funded, but Marcy's law passed. It is in the Constitution. I have implemented it every day as a trial court judge.
Vanessa, thank you. You can find information on the 2026 election and who's running for open roles on our website right now under the Politics tab.